months since a deadly tornado ripped through the Pembroke area in Bryan County. The tornado left one dead and many forced to rebuild.
Right now, we want to check in with our Nakaya Carrero, who's live at the courthouse now. And Nakaya, where you're standing, well, that was one of the most hard-hit spots.
That's right, Frank and Emma. The courthouse behind me is the center of Pembroke and is one of the many construction projects underway as the people across Bryan County pick up the pieces after that tornado. You may remember back on April 5th, the roof of the courthouse was ripped off, the windows were blown out, and several trees were knocked down around it. Now the rebuilding phase is underway, and it all starts with a new roof.
We have some temporary trailers up there that are housing some of our county services, such as permits or some of the court services, things like that. So we wanted to get that back on track as soon as possible, and I think we did that.
All across the county, we're seeing rebuilding Bryan banners as construction crews and county officials tell me while it seems like it's been a while since the storm, they're ahead of the game.
And actually, if you look at other disasters like tornadoes, things like that, we are well ahead of the curve as far as rebuilding. We have plans in place. We are actually starting construction on some of the buildings.
County officials say they want most of the projects completed and done by the end of next year.
Nakaya, you were there covering the damage. You had the chance to speak with families who have lost everything, and you actually covered the destruction of Hendricks Park. What's the update there?
Well, Emma, Hendricks Park, it serves as the center of the community. I spoke with people who say they have generations of memories in that park. Well, now that recreation center that was fairly new right before that tornado is completely flattened and will have to be rebuilt from the ground up. So that's another project that will be underway after this tornado. Emma, Frank, back to you.
All right, our Nakaya Carrero live in Bryan County for us this morning. Nakaya, thanks so much.